When I was in high school, I was very shy, and I didn't realize until later I was also dyslexic. So I always had a trouble with writing, and I hated writing. And one day I picked up my father's 8mm movie camera and shot a roll of film in our neighborhood and got it developed and got it back. And when I saw it, I found my voice. I realized that I could express my feelings and emotions visually. The next year, when I was in 11th grade, there was an artist in residency program at our school, and a film artist, Ed Emshwiller, who kind of looked like Santa Claus, came to our school and taught us film art. And that influenced the next 20 years, 30 years of my life. And I feel that he helped me find my voice and also gave to me the feeling that I have to give back as well. And so when I became a teacher, he was very kind of influential to me and always kind of in the back of my mind as someone who made a real meaningful impact on my life. And it's just I wouldn't be who I am today without him.